Hey there, welcome to our troubleshooting guide for Dell Floppy Diskette Seek Failure. If you're seeing this error message on your Dell computer, don't panic. We're here to help you find the ultimate solution. First, let's understand what this error means. The floppy diskette seek failure message usually appears when your computer is trying to boot from a floppy disk drive that doesn't exist or is malfunctioning. So, we'll tackle this issue step by step. Begin by restarting your computer and accessing the system BIOS or setup. To do this, look out for the Dell logo during boot up and press the designated key, which is usually F2 or Dell, to access the BIOS. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the Drives or Boot section, where you'll find a list of bootable devices. Look for any mention of floppy or diskette and disable those options. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. If the error message still persists, it's time to check the physical connections. Open up your computer case and locate the floppy drive cables. Ensure that they're securely connected to both the motherboard and the drive itself. If necessary, reseat the cables and make sure they're snug. Now, let's move on to the software side. Go back into the BIOS settings and navigate to the Integrated Peripherals, or Legacy Diskette A, option. Make sure it's set to None or Disabled. Save the changes and exit the BIOS once again. If the problem remains unresolved, it might be worth considering disabling the floppy drive controller altogether. Look for the option in the BIOS under Integrated Peripherals or a similar section. Disabling the controller will prevent any access to the non-existent floppy drive. If all else fails, it's possible that the error message is a false positive. To confirm this, try starting your computer without any floppy disks inserted. If it boots up without any issues, there's no need to worry about the floppy diskette seek failure message. And there you have it. We've covered the most common solutions for the Dell floppy diskette seek failure error. Remember, if you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching. Troubleshooting Dell Floppy Diskette Seek Failure, the Ultimate Solution Guide.